Hi there, guys. Welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So, in today's topic, we are going to see about the most weighted thing, the August month top three picks. So, let us see what are those picks. So, all right, guys. So, the first script what we are going to see is called the action constructor. Now, the thing is, the market has broken the previous line of resistance, and it is coming for a correction now. So, my viewpoint on the technical basis is it may come to 185 range. So my suggestion is, if you're a conservative trader, you can buy the script around 185 to 190. If you're a aggressive trader, you don't want to wait for any chances, or you don't want to take any chances if the market starts to move on the upward side. So if you want to go for an aggressive trade, you can always buy at the current market price itself. So in case if you're a conservative trader, try to buy at 185. That will be a very good level to buy, since the mid caps and small caps are all in the correction phase. So we may expect a little bit of correction, and once it reaches the support level, it will be a very good buy. And the target what I'm expecting is minimum 320. So if you're buying at 180 and giving at 320, that will be a huge target. But the thing is, you have to wait for minimum 3 to 6 months, more than 6 months, if the market doesn't move in a given period of time. So it's for a long-term investment. If you're an investor, if you are looking for a good long-term investment, so this will be a very nice script. So this one is called action construct. And the second thing what I'm looking at is the India Infoline. So this is IIFL Securities, and so I'm expecting a little bit of correction in this as well. So it is now trading around 90 rupees, 89.25. So you can buy the script at 80 rupees as well. So my suggestion is, in this particular script, you can just wait for some more 9 points to come down, like 10%. I believe it's around 10% correction in the market is pending. So if it is coming around 80, you can buy the script, and the target what I'm expecting is 116, and the second target will be 114, and the target will be 180. And this is purely for long term. In case if you want to hold it for a longer term, and you want to wait for the market to give you a good amount of return in the scripts, so you can hold on to India Infoline Securities for a long term basis. All right, so that is my second script. And the third topic for the month is Suprajet Engineering. So this, as you can see, this is a all-time high, and the market is currently trading at the previous line of resistance, as you can see from here. So this is the previous line of resistance, and the market has taken a strong level of resistance over here as well. So my suggestion is, once if the market is able to break above 360 and close in weekly, so just note it down. If the market is able to close about 360 in the weekly time frame, then you can go for a buy. And since this is an all-time high, we cannot fix a target, so we don't know how much the market will react. And if the market starts to rally up, it may go like 30%, 40% too. So we don't know that until the market gives a swing after the breakout. So once the swing is formed after the breakout, then we will look for the targets. But for now, if you're going to buy it after the market closes about 360 in the weekly charts. That will be a very good buying opportunity as well. So that is my third thing. So the first one is action construct, and the second one is IIFL, and the third one is Suprajet Engineering. So these are my top three picks for the month of August. So thank you very much for joining. All right, guys. So these are the three top picks for this month. And see, the core purpose for posting the review and preview and the monthly picks is to show that technical analysis works, and the market works according to structure. So in case if you want to learn how to do the technical analysis like I did, we at Trade Achievers, we teach people on how to analyze the market using a proper technical analysis. So in case if you want to join our classes, please do give a call on the scroll below. The number will be there, and they'll give you all the details about the courses and the methods how we teach the technical analysis. So the courses will be from Monday. We'll be starting in Chennai, Coimbatore, and Bangalore. In case if you're not able to join our classes in the our premises, you can always opt for the online classes as well. So coming Wednesday, we do have our online classes as well, and we do have a Saturday weekend batches too. So in case if you want other details about that, you can give a call to the given number. They'll give you all the details. And I hope this video was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.